I have the Samsung Galaxy A14, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add timestamps to photos taken with this phone. So this is going to add the date and the time that the photo was taken on the photo itself. So what you need to do is enable that option in the camera settings. So launch your camera on your Galaxy A14 and then tap on the settings wheel icon in the top left corner. That opens your camera settings. Go to Watermark and tap on that. And then the first thing you have to do is enable Watermark, because to add timestamps is basically adding a watermark. So tap on that. That enables the watermark. And then you can choose the watermark that you want. And because we want a timestamp, instead of choosing the model name, we're going to choose date and time and uncheck model name. Unless of course you want your model name on the photo as well, the model of your phone. But I want to uncheck that, so I can only remain with the timestamp. Okay. Now you can see a preview here of everything that you're setting up and how it's going to look. Again, you can also change the font of that specific timestamp. You have 3 options, as you can see. And then you can also change the alignment of that timestamp. So the default is bottom left. You can choose to have it in the middle, bottom middle, or bottom right. Now personally, I prefer bottom right, so I'll just leave it there. And then that's it. So you can now go back. And so from now on, every time you take a photo with this phone, it's always going to add a timestamp on that photo. So there you go. So there is our timestamp on the photo we just took. Okay, so it has the day, the date, and the time. So that's basically how to add timestamps to photos taken with your Galaxy A14. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. And just something else to note, this is not going to add timestamps to photos that have already been taken. Okay, so this is only going to add timestamps to photo you'll take as from the day you enable the setting moving forward. Okay, anyway, comments and questions down below, and good luck.